The first of 6 brand-new Dornier DO228 aircraft, made exclusively by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, has arrived, and the Indian Air Force has welcomed it. The aircraft has been modified with new engines, composite propellers, cutting-edge avionics, and a modern glass cockpit. With a budget of 667 rupees crore, the Ministry of Defence signed the agreement in March to procure 6 Dornier DO228 aircraft from HAL for the IAF. These aircraft were initially used by the IAF for communication and route transport roles, but they have since become extremely important in the training transport pilots. This new batch of 6 aircraft will feature enhanced fuel-efficient engines, combined with 5-bladed composite propellers. Their versatility makes them perfectly suited for short-haul operations, making use of semi-prepared or short runways, particularly in the northeastern and island regions of India. The Dornier DO228 aircraft is a multifunctional, lightweight transport aircraft, well-suited for a range of purposes. The Dornier DO228 aircraft is a highly adaptable asset that may be used to meet a variety of objectives, including utility and passenger transport as well as marine surveillance. The Indian Air Force's operational capability will be greatly strengthened by the arrival of these 6 aircraft, especially in remote and challenging areas. The Indian Navy has demonstrated its strong regional partnership by presenting its Dornier DO228 maritime patrol aircraft to the Sri Lanka Air Force. This gesture reflects the enduring cooperation between India and Sri Lanka, underlining the importance of regional unity. The Ministry of Defence said the addition will boost Indian Air Force's capabilities in the northeast and the country's island territories. Dornier DO228 is a 19-seater, highly versatile multi-purpose light transport aircraft. It has been developed specifically for utility and commuter transport, air taxi operations, coast guard duties and maritime surveillance. The German-origin short takeoff and landing twin-turboprop aircraft has been manufactured by the state-owned HAL and has been in the service of the Indian Air Force, the Navy, and the Coast Guard for over the last 3 decades. Ministry of Defence said that the Indian Air Force initially used the aircraft for route transport role and communication duties. Subsequently, it has also been used to train transport pilots of the Indian Air Force. The latest edition of 6 aircraft will be procured with an upgraded fuel-efficient engine coupled with a 5-bladed composite propeller. In late 2017, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation issued a type certificate to the Hindustan DO228. The aircraft was so far being manufactured under license from RUAG for Indian Defence Forces and European markets would now be allowed to operate in India for commercial purposes. The DO228 made its public debut in 2020 at the Dubai Air Show. Alliance Air signed an agreement with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to lease 2 17-seater Dornier DO228 aircraft in September 2021. The first aircraft was delivered to Alliance Air on April 7, 2022. The HAL Dornier DO228 had previously only been used by the Indian Armed Forces but was modified by HAL for commercial operations. Alliance Air deployed the aircraft on a new route connecting Dibrugarh, Assam and Pasighat, Arunachal Pradesh on April 12, 2022, becoming the first airline to use an Indian-made aircraft in civil aviation operations and the first commercial airline in the country to operate the Dornier DO228 aircraft.